Hi, I'm Mark Gregg from The Glass Medic. We are a 100% mobile glass repair business, servicing the Cambridge, Kitchener-Waterloo, and Guelph area. We are here on site today replacing some plexiglass windows and installing customized insulated glass units. Each unit is argon gas filled, helping to make this a fully functional 4-season workshop. We're also replacing a sealed glass unit in a broken window. Visit us at theglassmedic.ca for a free online estimate, or you can reach us by phone and email to book an appointment.